Hey guys, Karina Gardner here, and today we are putting together, I've been calling this my quickly crossed block 2 because later this month I'm going to show you how to put together a mini quilt using this block and another block. But isn't it darling? So easy to put together. Let's do it right now. Okay guys, this is this little quilt block is called just Block B in my quickly crossed little mini quilt that I'm going to do here in the next week or so. And it is super duper simple. Dimensions are simple. So it's 2.5 inch blocks because this is a total, it's a six inch block total. So 2.5 inch squares for your corners, which for me is white. And then for the cross itself, this is a 6.5 by 2.5 inch strip, and these are 2.5 inch blocks. So they're pretty simple, and it's simple to put together, but I think it turns out very, very sweet. So you're just going to go ahead and sew together, right sides together, your outside block with your middle block here. And if you are chain piecing, if you're doing multiples, you can just quickly put together the top and the bottom ones like this. Easy peasy, right? And then go ahead and do your other side, and we will have rows finished. So just fold over and press. All right, this is a block without nested seams. However, I still like to press opposite ways simply to help the bulk of the entire quilt. So it's your choice on this, but it really won't matter. But I've got mine going opposite ways. Okay, super easy, right? And so now we're just going to fold over and press with our centerpiece. All right, top done. Let's add the bottom. If you're a beginning quilter, this is an awesome block for you because you don't have to worry about matching things up. Okay, go ahead and press everything the same way. And look how darling that little quilt block is. So simple to put together, so sweet. I have lots of extra strings here, which you're gonna wanna trim off. But this is my quickly crossed mini quilt, which we're gonna do next week. I'm gonna show you how to put it together with 6 inch blocks, and this is B. So make sure and join that Fabric VIP if you want the fabric, the PDF for that, because I send out a free PDF every single week with quilt blocks, whatever quilt I'm working on, just so that you guys will sew with me, because I think it's fun. And if you want to see more videos like this, make sure and subscribe to the YouTube channel. And the Instagram feed has IGTV videos of this every single Thursday. So I hope you'll join me there. Okay, see you guys.